Hi everyone, my name is Anjila and thank you for clicking this video to watch a YouTuber that never uploads. But anyway, today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing video. As you can tell by the title, I got $200 worth of Asian makeup from YESSTYLE. $200 worth of makeup just for a single face. You might think that's excessive. I think it is excessive too. But nevertheless, let's just get into it. As you can see, haven't been opened before. Let me get a knife. Aha! First thing I see, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Takes my stress away. Ooh! Look at all this makeup. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so much. I'm just gonna pull it out at random. Wait, let me take it out of the plastic wrap so I can just keep it for later. I like to do this too. Okay, enough of plastic wrap. Let's move on with the actual video content. The first thing I'm grabbing is a lip tint. Wow! Korean makeup is mostly known for their cushion foundation, like the BB creams or the lip tint, I believe. I'm just gonna take off the lipstick that I'm wearing now.
Ooh, but then I'm gonna be putting on a lip tint, so that's gonna be hard to take off to try it on different other lipsticks or lip tints. Let's see what happens.
Now that's off. Let me just give you a bit more information than just the brand. 3CE Style Nada Velvet Lip Tint in the color Going Right. Apparently they have 10 colors and I chose the one Going Right. And it does feel very velvety. It looks like velvet too if you go really close. But let's see what happens on the lips.
Wow!
Ooh! That's pretty. It literally just glides on like butter. Okay, I love it. So I don't think it's a lip tint, but we'll see if I can take it off. It doesn't feel like a typical lip tint, like the lip tint I've tried before. They're like quite watery and like runny, and once you put it on, it just dries and just stains your lip. Well, that's what lip tint is. Whereas this one, it feels more like a lip cream. The NYX, let me find it, hang on. It feels like these NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, yeah, but it just has a bit more product. But I personally think this is way better than this one because this, after like half an hour or so, really dries out your lips. Especially with me, I naturally have dry lips anyway. But this is just a upgrade to that because this is matte, this is velvety, it's a bit more pigmented and it doesn't dry out your lip. But since it is a bit creamy than the NYX one, I feel like it does transfer. Let me just try it. Oh yeah. It does transfer, if you can see that. But honestly, I do not mind that at all. But I guess if you're eating, then you probably would have like patches missing. But what lipstick doesn't do that? Just reapplying it. But overall, I'm very impressed. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but like I said, this is just a first impression. Oh! It is a little bit of lip tint because I'm wiping off, but I can still see a little bit of the residue. I don't know if you can, but I can see it. It's not a lot for it to be considered a lip tint, I don't think. I wouldn't categorize it as a lip tint. If it was a lip cream, then it's fantastic. Next up, I'm just gonna reach into the box. It is, oh, there's two. Okay, this one, what is it? Water Light Tint, another tint. I think I ordered quite a lot of tints, to be honest. What brand is you? Apayu? It's in the shade Bitter Rose. But let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, that's very pretty. And it definitely is watery if you can see that shine. Ooh. Yeah, it's like a lip gloss, like a really pigmented, but it's not thick. It doesn't feel thick because obviously it is watery. It's like a dusty mauve pink and with no glitters or anything. It's just like a gloss, which I quite like. Time to try it on the lips. Now, some of you might be wondering why I don't try these lip products with foundation on my lips. That's because I hate having foundation on my lips. Like, after I do my foundation, some of the excess goes onto my lips and I just hate it. I have to take it off. And with any lip product that I wear, I just wear it on my bare lips. I just don't like polish on my lips, okay? And I know like foundation helps like cancel out your natural color, but I don't really mind it. The products that I normally use anyway, they're quite pigmented themselves, so I shouldn't have to use the foundation. So I'm not gonna use a foundation. Oh, that is watery. Now that it's been on my lips for a while, I can feel it tighten up and feel like it's drying on my lips, but I can still see the shininess. So I'm a little bit confused. Is it like a liquid lipstick but shiny? Then it should not just be gloss. The stickiness is there. And the colour, it is quite true to what was on my hand, but just a little bit darker, but that might be the case because of my natural lip colour is a bit like darkish. But I think this would be quite a nice shade for like a darker skin tone. But yeah, I'm not that hyped about this one, but it ain't that bad. When you put it on, it's thin, but then it starts to like kind of dry up. So it feels a bit thick and sticky. Yeah, so it's like, it's alright. Yeah, let's move on. Well, would you look at that? It really is a tint. Wow! I knew I was gonna have this problem. The tint is very nice though. Once you take it off, it's quite nice. So once you take it off, it becomes like your lips but a little bit better. I'm gonna have to start wearing foundation on my lips. Oh no! Even though I hate it. I hate wearing foundation on my lips. It looks and feels so dry. Gonna reach out for the next product. It's the same brand and the same line, but a different shade. Cherry Bloom. I'm worried like all these tints are just gonna tint over each other and create like a whole new shade, and it's not gonna be true to what it actually is, but I have a lot of arm to show you the products, so that's okay. Same packaging because it's from the same line. Ooh, this one's like neon. Whoa! Whoa! Well, hello. Well, damn. That is bright. I'm just expecting the same type of sensations on my lips as the previous one. But with this one, I'm just going to try it out like the Korean style where they put it onto the middle and then bleed it out, and let's see what happens then. Put it onto the center. It's not bad. Maybe this is how I'm meant to apply it with the other one as well. It's like soft, delicate, and youngish. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to my statement. This one's for the mum, and this one's for the teenage daughters. But you know, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna take it off my hand. That's some strong tint. Okay, next one. Eyeshadow palette. Finally something different than lips. Heimish Brick Brown eye palette. I do have another Heimish eyeshadow palette that I just love, the coral one, and the reason I love it so much is the shimmer shades. Oh my god, they are so pigmented. Look, just look at this one, right? Wow! Just look at it. God damn. The packaging is very cute. It's got bricks at the bottom, and the actual palette itself, it looks like a brick. Oh, it has a shimmer shade. It has a shimmer shade. This one, and I'm just gonna swatch it right now. That's the one that I'm most excited about. And I'm very glad that this palette has a dark brown, so this is like just very good travel palette because you can just do a daytime look with just this top row, which is going to be like a softer kind of look. And if you want to go out during the night, just add the shimmery and the dark brown. Bam! Nighttime look for you. Next product. Cushion foundation. Did I get cushion foundation? Well, it's Pony Effect, so it doesn't matter. Do you guys know Pony Effect? Oh my god. I like subscribe to her and I follow her on Instagram. She's so pretty. And she has like her own makeup line, which people talk a lot about in the Korean beauty realm. The Pony Effect Defense Longwear Cushion, and I got it in the shade Sand. Korean brands, especially with their foundations, they're not very good with colours. They mostly just do light and extra light. So it was a bit tricky to see what colour would suit me. But we'll see today. Oh! This actually looks like it could be my skin tone. So I'm just going to pop it onto my fingers and give it a few squeeze. Okay, this is just one squeeze. Can you see this? Do you actually see this? I'm going to try it on this hand, see if they cover up the tint. Can you see the colour? It's literally just disappeared into my hand. Okay, that's just one layer of foundation. Let's see how many layers it takes to cover up the tint. I'm actually quite impressed. Pony, you made a colour for me? It's a dewy foundation, first of all. Ugh, I just can't get over the colour. Like, there's a cushion foundation that actually matches me. Oh my god. The times we live in nowadays. I don't normally go for a dewy type because I do have oily skin, and just mixing that with dewy foundation is... It's not full coverage, but it's decent coverage. It's like medium to possibly buildable. But yes! I'm gonna start using you, damn. If you actually want a actual full length review or like a tutorial using any of these products today, let me know. Hola! I can explain. So it's been a couple of days. So what happened was, the reason why I didn't finish filming the other day is because my memory card got full, and when I tried to transfer it onto my laptop, I just had a bit of technical difficulty, maybe because I'm just like a caveman, I don't know what I'm doing, but it just took like 10 hours just to transfer those like 4 clips. Yes, I need a better memory card. Yes, I probably need a new laptop too, but no, I'm not gonna get it because I'm broke. But anyway, I have not opened the rest of the products. It's still in the plastic thingy-mabob, so I have not opened it. Still gonna be like a first and a half impression. I think the last thing that I was showing you was the Pony Effect Cushion Foundation, which I am wearing today. It is still a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone, but nevertheless, it is matching me quite well. It does oxidize during the day, so by the end of 3-4 hours, it becomes my actual like skin tone. Let's move on to the next item. This is the McQueen waterproof gel eyeliner set, 5 pieces. Let's look at the pencils inside. Oh! Ew! Comment down below if you're a Barty, because I definitely am. It starts with the light and then gradually gets darker. This is plastic. So does that mean this is the only product that I get? Are you for real? Like, are you serious? Okay, I'm just gonna try it on my hand. Right, I will say that was very creamy, but it does say waterproof. Oh no. If I'm paying money for 1.5 centimeter of product, like, it better be the best 1.5 centimeters, man. So I checked out the darkest one. I'm going to check out the lightest. Ooh. This is gold! Well, damn, girl. You surprised me. Oh. But I don't think this is going to be smudge or waterproof to you. It is definitely not waterproof, mate. Yeah, still not impressed. I can pretty much guess for the other ones, they're probably not going to be waterproof. Pony! So this is the eyeshadow palette, the Pony Shine Easy Glam 2. I'm going to try this purple one. Already feeling a little bit disappointed. That's like 5 dips. It's not as pigmented as I would like it. Pony, I expected more from you. We were rooting for you! I was rooting for you! We were all rooting for you! Next, the McQueen New York waterproof eyeliner. And when I say this is waterproof, oh my god. This is probably like my 4th tube, because it's just so damn good, man. And when you open it, the tip is, oh my god, like so fine. You can create the sharpest wing to have ever winged. It's kind of like Tipex. You just have to shake it up if you can hear it. Shake it up a little bit and then all the product goes into the brush and you just draw it on. Let's move on. Oh, Laneige. This one is the Laneige two-tone tint lip bar in number 7 Lollipop Red. Let's open it up. So the top bit, the triangle bit, is a red, but the bottom bit is like a light purple. And I'm hoping this is the matte because I already have the glossy one. Oh, it's glossy. Yeah, the bottom bit is lip balm, so it's gonna be glossy. But I guess it's gonna keep your lip hydrated. Right, so I'm back with no product on my lip and I'm just gonna try it on by itself. Yeah, the red is a little bit too, like, strong. On camera, it looks a lot stronger than it is in real life. I was looking forward to this one as well. Like, I thought it was going to be matte. I'm going to go back to the one I was wearing earlier. Right, so let's move on to the next one. Eyeshadows. Right, I saw a couple of videos about these being like really good eyeshadows. These are meant to be like, you know, the shimmery one in this one that I just love in like the Heimish palette. But these are meant to be like individual ones like that. So I got the one in Sugar Light and Twilight. Let's try the Sugar Light first. And it's chunky. Why is it chunky inside? Was it chunky when I watched the videos? Just one dab. Let's see how it goes. Wow! I'm so confused but impressed. Damn! Damn! You know what, I'm just going to quickly move on to the next one because I just want to see what the other one is like. Okay, this one is Twilight number 10. I'm just going to take my finger. Just like, literally, I didn't even do this. I just went, beep. Mate. Do I have to say anything else? I need to buy every single colour. I have nothing more to say. I'm just gobsmacked. I'm very impressed. Beauty people. If you watching this video, please send me all of them. Please sponsor me. Okay, next one. Both of these are from Innisfree. One is a brown mascara and one is a waterproof mascara. They're both the skinny type. By the way, they don't come together, you have to buy them separately. I was intrigued by the skinny mascara for your like eyelashes because it's just so skinny. Okay, first of all, what's up with this hollow extra packaging? Because I thought this was going to be like the handle and this was going to be the product, but no. It's so skinny. Like, what is it meant to get? I think when I was like ordering this, I'm guessing my thought process was like, oh, it's going to be good for the lower lashes. I'm just going to try it out straight away. I do already have some mascara on my bottom lashes, but let's see. Is it even possible to get any product onto this tiny little thing? Disappointed! Yet again! God damn it, Innisfree! Don't let me down with your brown mascara. The main purpose of it was to be a mascara. Can't even do that. I don't care about if it's waterproof or not. There's no product on there to be waterproof. Let's move on to the brows. Right, the colour that I got for this one, it is ash brown because I do have lighter hair, so I just thought, go for a lighter brow. It seems like it has more product on it. This one isn't bad. This is like literally getting your hair, but that might be because I already got like product in it. So conclusion for this one, it's not bad. Next product. This is a really cute one. Oh my god, you Korean people, you make everything so cute. This is from Tony Moly and it's called Petite Bunny Gloss Bar and it's in the color number 3 Juicy Apple. This don't look like no apple, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. Let's open you up, little buddy. Okay, I'm gonna see how much product I get. It's not bad. Okay, it does say it's a gloss, but let's see how glossy it be. Yep, definitely a gloss, but it feels like typical lip balm. It's not sticky and it's just got a little bit like tint to it, if you can see that. Yeah, nothing much else to say about that. Final two. Again, they don't come together. You have to get them separately. Holika Gel Light Waterproof Eyeliner. Let's see if these disappoint me as much as the McQueen ones. I'm going to start off with Carat Diamond number 7. So I'm guessing this is like a shimmery shade just because it's got the word diamond in his name. Let's have a look. Same as the McQueen. It doesn't like twist up or anything. The only product that you get is this 1.5 centimeters. Let's just try the product. So this is like a silvery color. It's like close to being white really. Honestly, it's very pretty. While I was applying it, it was very creamy, so I have doubts that it's going to be waterproof. But I'm just going to let that dry on my hand for a bit and I'm going to try it in a mo. Until then, let's see what this one is about. This is in the color number 3 Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli. This is a dark blue. Didn't I get a black? Maybe I didn't. Just gonna try it on top of the silver one. This is gorgeous too. You can't see it that much on camera, but it has a, obviously it's like dark blue, but on top of it, it has like a blue glittery sheen to it. It's not glittery, but like shimmery. I'm not very good with my words, but it has drama. So what happened was, same thing, memory card ran out of memory. That's about it. So the last product that I tried on, it wasn't that waterproof, but you could probably guess. That was all the products that I did wanted to show you, and I just wanted to quickly film my outro. I hope you guys liked watching this video, and follow me on my social media if you want to. And that's about it. I'll catch you in my next video. I don't know when that's gonna be. Thank you for watching. Mwah.